Okay, this is the Cat with a Switchblade turbo. This is a D9G with a Switchblade turbo on it, and we have adjusted the air-fuel ratio, which has cut down the black smoke incredible. But yet it still gets up and moves quick, and it didn't used to be that way. So what you're going to see next is the scraper. Okay, for those of you who've never seen something like this is a Cat 637 scraper. This is an old C model. This is a D343 diesel engine, same as the old 1693 Cat truck engine. And this is a Switchblade turbocharger from Blaylock Turbochargers. And on the left side of the screen, you're going to see the Switchblade, and on the right side, the old T18 turbo. And this is an acceleration with the retarder all the way on and then flooring it, and you'll notice the difference in black smoke. And in this picture we have not adjusted the air fuel ratio yet. It's a huge difference.